back to my channel. My name is Jessica of the blog Miss More Style. Here on YouTube, I like to make videos about affordable fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. So if you are into living your best life on a budget, being chic and stylish without breaking the bank, definitely go ahead and hit that red subscribe button right down below. And while you're there, hit the little bell. That will just send you a notification every time I upload a new video. It is feeling very much like fall today in LA. This last week has been very chilly. I'm wearing the biggest, coziest sweater you could ever imagine. If you're interested in it, I will link it down below. It is quite a sweater, but it is very cozy and very statement making. Today I wanted to share with you the Rachel Zoe box of it's not right. I always do that. Really, like I literally cannot break my habit of saying the Rachel Zoe box of style. Excuse me. It is the Curateur Fall Welcome Box. So every season, Curateur puts together a welcome box that is a little bit more of an abbreviated version of their full-on Curateur box. And these boxes, I believe, are $40, and you can grab them if you are a new Curateur subscriber. Took a little peek at this one because I was really curious as to what is in it. And I will say, I feel like the Curateur welcome boxes are sort of like a best of from past Curateur boxes from past seasons. So some of the items in here I already own, and that means that I'm gonna do a little giveaway of this Curateur box. So basically almost everything that's in this welcome box I'm going to be giving away to one of you, with the exception of one item, which I'll tell you what that is and why in a second. But so if you're interested in the Curateur box, if you're interested in trying out their welcome box, I'll leave a link down in the description box for you so you can check it out. I also should have some sort of code down there to give you some savings on the welcome box and even probably the current fall Curateur box as well. If you want to see what the fall Curateur box from this season looked like, I'll also link my video of my unboxing of that earlier in the season down below. Without further ado, let's get into it. If you want to know how to win these goodies, I will drop those instructions somewhere randomly in this video, so make sure to watch all the way through so you don't miss how to win these goodies. All right, let's get into it. It is a big freaking box, y'all. Thumbnail. Yeah, this is like a lot more massive than they normally are, I will say. Let's just open her up. It's too big. The inside looks like this. It says, "Welcome to a life well curated." And also has their Instagram handle. Also inside the box, it says that this box is made from 100% recycled materials. Sustainability is always in style. I agree. When you get a Curateur box, everything comes wrapped up very nicely. And one thing I really love about Curateur is it always comes with a little magazine style pamphlet to let you know all about the awesome products that are inside the box. Now, because this is the welcome box, it's a little different. It has some information on, like, I feel like this is the magazine from the one that they just sent for fall. I could be wrong. But they've got some other fun things in here. They have other little like articles with style inspo, style tips. This is like a little fitness article. So it's kind of like a mini magazine, which I think is really, really cool. And you also get to get a little bit more in depth with the brands that are included in the box. Just gonna open this up. Try not to ruin it too much because I'm gonna give it away. Sorry, person who will receive this, I do have to rip this paper a little bit. So the reason why this box is so big is because there's a bag in here. I'm going to get this out of the plastic. Again, trying to do minimal damage. This is a Rachel Zoe tote bag. This was, I believe, in the Curateur box last fall. They included this one, so I already have this bag from last fall, but you can see it's got a little Rachel Zoe logo embossed on the other side. I really love this tote bag. I use mine quite often because of the fact that it's a good size. It definitely fits a laptop in there and has plenty of room to spare. So it's great for traveling. It's great, again, as a computer bag. If you're in school, if you're a student, I think this would also be great for school because obviously it could fit books and a laptop and all kinds of stuff inside of here. It's got a bunch of packaging in, so I don't want to take that out because I'm going to be shipping this out, but it does have a little interior zipper pocket right there. Just all in all, a very beautiful bag. And this is just really beautiful, like wine red color, like Bordeaux almost looking. It's just so perfect for fall. I feel like it's going to go with so many fall looks. So yeah, this is such a good bag. So I believe there's like several different welcome boxes that you can choose from for each season. They like add like 3 or 4 things to each one, favorites from past fall seasons essentially. And of the 3 that I saw on the website, this one that I got was the best one. So So next up, we've got a couple pieces of jewelry, it looks like. So the first one I'm going to open is this one. This is from the brand Amber Skeets. I don't know if I'm saying that last name right. I'm pretty notorious for mispronouncing people's names, unfortunately. But this is the item that I'm actually going to keep. This will not be in the giveaway because I never have gotten this in any Rachel Zoe box before, and I am obsessed with this bracelet. This is a really cool like bangle bracelet. It looks like crinkled up gold almost. I'm just gonna pop it on. I just think that looks so cool. It's very unique, and I don't really have anything like this, so I'm going to keep this piece from the box for myself. So this bracelet will not be included in the giveaway, but this is one of the items that is in this welcome box. And I really don't know how much this retails for. In most of the regular boxes, the little magazine would give you a breakdown of each item and its retail price. I feel like from the weight of it and just from the look of it, it probably is a good priced bracelet. It's absolutely stunning. The little card says the Emery bracelet. Amber signature crushed metal designs are handmade using the highest quality brass with 24 carats gold plating. Made with longevity as a focus, our designs require handling with care to remain in original condition. Avoid cleaning products, swimming, and showering whilst wearing your bracelet. Apply your cosmetics, moisturizers, and perfume before adding your jewelry. So pretty much basic jewelry instructions for most jewelry, you know, like don't swim in it, don't shower, don't get cleaning products. It's pretty standard stuff. So it comes with this really cute little velvet jewelry bag as well. The next item is another jewelry piece. This is from the brand Eddie Borgo, and this was also in, I believe, the last fall's box of style, or curator box, sorry. This is just this really beautiful, it's a very thick, very heavy chain, gold chain necklace, and I don't want to take it out of the plastic packaging because I will be adding this into the giveaway because I already have one of these. And honestly, the one that I have, I love it so much. If you're a subscriber, you've probably seen me wearing it in many videos since last fall. It's just a really cool gold chain necklace. I believe, if I remember right from last year, this necklace retails around, it was expensive. I think it was like over $200, if not more. So very quality, very well made necklace. It has a really nice weight to it. It doesn't feel or look cheap at all, and just a classic. Just, you could wear this over a plain t-shirt with like a blazer, and I just feel like your outfit is like set. It's so perfect. So I'm going to put this right back in here. This also has a little card in here, probably just with similar instructions. Yes, it's a handmade piece of jewelry. It also comes with a coupon in here for complimentary 15% off the Eddie Borgo website with a code that you can use. And then, of course, the same instructions as the bracelet. Don't bathe, don't shower. Store your jewelry in a nice, clean, dry place, and you can gently clean and polish it with a soft, dry cotton cloth. So this will be going with the red bag for the giveaway. The last item in the box is a cosmetic, and one thing that I really love about the box, the Curator box, is it's a just perfect lifestyle box for the modern stylish woman. So it's always a really good mix of fashion, accessories, beauty, and some like lifestyle items. It's like the perfect mix. It doesn't usually have, like, I know there's boxes like FabFitFun that just have a ton of stuff in them and they're not as expensive as the Curator box, but the quality of the items that you get in the Curator box is just far and above what you get in really any subscription box. This is my favorite subscription box. It's really the only subscription box that I make videos about because it is the one that I love the best. So just wanted to throw that in there. But anyway, the last item is Ella Luz, I believe, 24K lip therapy, and says to use, apply whenever lips need an extra dose of hydration. So I just want to pop this out really quick to look at it because I have a feeling there's going to be gold flakes in it. Yes. This is so pretty. I love the packaging. It's just like a lip balm, but you can see the little flakes of the gold in there. And I mean, it just looks so luxe. So this is going to be the perfect thing to have going into fall and winter. I know everyone's lips get a bit more chapped that time of year. So this will also be in the giveaway. So speaking of the giveaway, red bag, the Eddie Borgo chain necklace, and the little lip gloss will be in the giveaway. Not this bracelet, I'm keeping it. So to enter the giveaway, here's what you got to do. Subscribe to my channel. Go to my Instagram, which I will link in the description box. It's Miss More Style. And follow me on Instagram. Then I would like for you to leave a comment here on this video and on my Instagram. For my Instagram, just, go to my latest photo, whatever that is, to leave the comment. But you can say whatever you like in the comments of this video as well as the Instagram post. but just make sure when you leave your comment that you include this emoji in your comment. This just helps me track like who is actually entering the giveaway so that I know. And that's it. It's pretty simple. So subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, leave a comment on this video and also on my latest Instagram post, whatever one that is, whenever you go to enter this giveaway. Leave me a comment, it could be whatever you want, but make sure to include this emoji. I will leave this giveaway open for 1 week. It is for US only. I'm sorry, shipping is expensive these days. I can only afford to ship domestically, so please only US is eligible, and that is it. Best of luck. I will leave it open for a week and I will announce the winner on my Instagram story. So just stay tuned for that. All right, well, that is the Curateur Fall Welcome Box. Again, if you're interested in this box, if you want to check it out for yourself, head down to the description box for all the links. And if you want to watch my unboxing of the fall box, it's also there. I'm pretty sure I should be getting the winter box probably pretty soon. They send them to me pretty early. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. What are you waiting for? Honestly, come on, you know you want to hang with me. Before you go, check out a couple more videos. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And I will see you all on my next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.